Racing just is started with good copy. Rushing upon the yards. There is a wild ginseng. Raindrop in between horses. Then next on line is a Lucky Man. Alongside comes Pasaporte. Running by the rail, High Sweetie. Then followed by Gonsi Song. Then down the inside now is Princess Jo. And going along for the first turn, Wild Ginseng high balling in front, leads by about 6 lengths, and in second is Raindrop, 2 lengths back. In third comes Good Copy. Lucky Man comes next, High Sweetie. Princess Jo comes next, Pasaporte. Gonsi Song, Wild Sweet and Spicy is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Wild Ginseng is still in control and enjoying 8 lengths lead. Good Copy now in second, and in third comes Raindrop. Lucky Man is still in fourth, and in fifth High Sweetie. Pasaporte, Princess Jo, Gonsi Song, Wild Sweet and Spicy is still racing in less as they swing for home. We have Wild Ginseng enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Good Copy now in second. Last 100 meters, Wild Ginseng followed by Good Copy. And nearing the finish line from start to finish, it's Wild Ginseng, Good Copy, High Sweetie, close Raindrop, and Pasaporte.
Yes, banderang tapos. Number 7, Wild Ginseng, ridden by M.A. Alvarez. Unofficial winner natin yan. Datingan natin, 7-2-1. Then close tayo. For port between